Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create and name a group chat in Microsoft Teams, a simple process that can make collaboration with your team faster, organized, and way more efficient. Whether you're working on a project, planning an event, or just keeping in touch with your colleagues, this guide will help you set up your group chat in no time. Let's dive in. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device, either through the desktop app or the web version. If you're on the web, just navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account so you can access all your contacts and team features. Once you're on the home screen, click the Sign In button, usually in the top right corner. Enter your email and password, and you'll be taken directly to your Teams dashboard. Starting a new chat now, it's time to create your group chat. On the left sidebar, look for the chat icon. It looks like a little speech bubble. Click it, then click the New Chat button at the top of your chat list. It usually looks like a pencil inside a square. Adding participants. In the new chat window, you'll see a field labeled To. Start typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to include. Teams will suggest contacts as you type, making it really quick to add everyone. You can include as many participants as needed, so don't hold back. Naming your group chat. Once your participants are added, you'll see an option to enter a group chat name, usually below the list of members. This is where you can give your chat a descriptive and relevant name, something that clearly reflects the project, topic, or purpose of your group. This way, everyone knows exactly what the chat is for at a glance. And that's it. You've successfully created and named a group chat in Microsoft Teams. It's that easy to stay organized, communicate effectively, and keep your team on the same page. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip for boosting your productivity in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.